Okay, we have got a situation here. Little Max and his first ever case of the hiccups. Ready? Are they gone? Nope. He just had a big meal and had a big poop, big burp. So, sign of a good satisfying meal is of course the hiccups. Okay, as interesting as this is, we're gonna cut it now. That would be Max's first ever case of the hiccups. Bye-bye. Say bye, Max. One more for the road. It's over. It's over. Bye.